To fix the F14 error code on a Frigidaire oven, it's essential to understand what this code indicates. The F14 error code is a sign of a touch control panel failure, usually caused by the central control unit's inability to read data from the EEPROM. The most common cause of this issue is a poor connection between the digital display and the motherboard, often due to a problem with the ribbon connector. To resolve this, start by unplugging the oven from the wall and removing the back panel to access the two ribbon connectors that are likely causing the issue. It's crucial to handle the ribbon harness connectivity between the touch panel and the control board with care. If the ribbon connectors are damaged, they should be replaced with new ones. If not damaged, gently pull the connectors out, clean them with isopropyl alcohol, and then gently rub them with a smooth bristle brush. Allow the cables to dry before reconnecting them. Additionally, a continuity test should be conducted on the keyboard circuits using a multimeter. If the issue persists after these steps, try unplugging the unit to reset the motherboard. If the problem still exists, it may be necessary to replace the touch control board.